Hi, my name is Erin Bates. I'm here with the Central Kootenay Invasive Species Society, and we're going to share a little bit about our Kootenay Lake Local Conservation Fund knotweed cost sharing program. Knotweed species are considered one of the 100 worst invasive species globally, and in BC they're considered the highest priority invasive plant for management throughout our province. In the CKIS region, it's also one of our top priorities for management. In BC, knotweed is also listed under the Weed Control Act, which is legislation that mandates landowners to control and manage invasive plants on their private properties. This program is intended to support landowners in that by helping them with the costs associated with treating knotweed on their property. You can identify knotweed by its bamboo-like stems with the segments and generally heart-shaped leaves. This is giant knotweed. You can tell because the leaves are enormous, and also it gets quite a bit taller than the other knotweed species.
Knotweed can cause ecological damage by reducing biodiversity by outcompeting native plants, increasing erosion of stream banks, and decreasing fish habitat. However, knotweed can also damage infrastructure, such as asphalt and house foundations, and as a result, it can decrease property values. So how can a landowner get rid of knotweed on their land? Well, be aware that mowing, cutting, smothering, or digging can actually stimulate the extensive rhizome structure underground and cause the knotweed to spread further. One of the primary barriers to knotweed management on private land is the cost of chemical control, which is the only effective treatment for knotweed. This program is open to residents of the Regional District of Central Kootenay, Area A, D, and E. As part of this program, CKIS is conducting inventories, landowner outreach, site visits, and coordinating treatment of eligible properties by qualified herbicide contractors. We thank the Regional District of Central Kootenay's Kootenay Lake Local Conservation Fund for supporting private landowners to protect native habitat, keep their property safe, and fulfill their legal responsibility to control knotweed. Check out the CKIS website to learn more about knotweed and the cost-sharing knotweed program. And remember, do not share or plant knotweed.